Whose ranch is this?
I don't know. Nobody's?
It's in a dumb spot.
Welcome back to the channel, guys and gals. Well, the 3 of you gals and 9 of you guys who keep watching this garbage. We're back for part 2 for the K10 Conundrum. If you remember from part 1, we had some 90s truck wheels we were going to use with some 7.5 by 16 faux bias ply tires. Turns out it wasn't the right look I was after. We spent all that time modifying these 16-inch wheels just for nothing. That's alright. We can use them on some other shitty project truck I find. While contemplating life with these particular wheels, I decided that I also wanted to lower the truck now too. I removed 3 leaves in the front and removed the 4-inch lift blocks in the rear and replaced them with 2-inch lift blocks. Now that the truck was lower and I no longer needed a milk crate to get in, I realized I needed to replace the steering arm. So I replaced the lifted steering arm with a factory one, so we would have the correct angle of the dangle, if you will. While I was down there, I also noticed that our old Rancho shocks were completely shot, so replaced those bad boys with some factory Monroes that fit a 3/4 ton factory truck. Now, getting back to the whole reason why I started all this crap, the wheels. My fiance's dad worked with a fella that was getting rid of some factory GM rally wheels for one of these trucks for fairly cheap. I picked them up for about $250. They came with center caps, and I scuffed them up and blasted them with some Hunter Green. For the tires, I went with the RBP Repulsor MTs in a 32 by 11.5 15. Walmart had them on sale for about $150 a piece. Couldn't beat the price. That's pretty much the gist of what's been done on the truck as of late. You guys and gals, let me know what you think looks better, before or after. If you like what you saw, well, why don't you subscribe? There's more square body stuff coming. So come on back with a case of old style or old mill, and take a gander on what we got going.